All right, what's up, family? What's up? So back on the tube. Um, so this is pretty much the game plan. We'll try to make this quick. So I'm gonna try to get more active on YouTube again. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I'm gonna try my best for y'all to be a lot more active on YouTube. So we're just gonna enjoy this as long as it can last. The more active y'all are, the more active I am. So we're gonna try to make this work. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to drop y'all at least 2 trades a week. Okay. So they're gonna be independent videos. So I'm not gonna be doing the full and complete outlooks. That's only gonna be for the premium students. Okay. So I'm gonna be picking 2 pairs, and I'll drop y'all 2 pairs a week. So make sure y'all are following us, subscribe, everything. That way y'all get the notifications when the new pairs drop. Okay. So we're just gonna dive straight on in. So y'all's first pair for this week is gonna be USDCAD. I'm gonna be showing y'all multiple time frames throughout these, and just kind of giving y'all a brief vision and kind of that overall look of what I'm seeing. Some of these I might go in a little bit more explanation. Some of them I might just give y'all exactly what y'all need and let y'all go on about y'all's way for that opportunity. Okay. So USD CAD right now we are in wave 5, and I am expecting a temporary pullback into this area before potentially seeing further movement towards the downside. So what I am looking at as far as like on the entry, I do want to see price action play out for a double bottom in this area and then that movement towards the upside. So that's just the actual pattern that I'm expecting on price, hopefully that we can get, right? If we're not able to actually get that price action pattern, then we more than likely are just going to go with a small correction here and then a continuation up and then another correction and a continuation up. So with that being said, we'll more than likely form a new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within that type of structure if we do get that. So it's either that option or we're going to get the double bottom, and we're going to be looking for price action to retest this final level of support around 1.32339. I don't expect it to actually break this level, so I'm going to be looking at a stop loss personally at around 1.31949, and I am going to be looking at a final TP around 1.35126. And as always, guys, this is just my personal opinion of what I am seeing in the market. So as always, trade at your own risk, and make sure that you guys are using proper risk management. So this is what I'm seeing on USD CAD for this week upside, and then we'll be looking for further downside. The 4-hour looks really good. I'm going to briefly show y'all the 16-hour time frame and the daily time frame as well, so y'all can get all perspectives, and then we'll pretty much wrap up. I have also posted this one on our Instagram as well, so if you go watch our Instagram, you'll see that there's a reel for this USD CAD, and it'll show multiple time frames as well. So all of that information is down below in the description right now. If you look down below, you'll see the link to our website, the link to our free Telegram chat room, the link to our trading view where you can also catch more setups. Everything is down below. Instagram, Facebook, all of that information, good stuff's down below. Very cool. So that's the 16-hour time frame on USD CAD. Again, looking for that same reversal pattern for a little bit of a deeper retracement. If we do extend, price action can ultimately head up here, guys. I just want to show y'all that price action can head all the way up here. We're just going to be taking price action up to this level, okay? And the daily time frame. So that is what we are looking like on the daily as well. So USDCAD should be pretty nice for us this week. If y'all do take the trade, let me know. Keep me updated. Drop a comment. What are y'all believing on, or what y'all think would happen on this particular pair for this week? If y'all are bullish or bearish, let me know. Interested to see what you guys' opinion is on this pair for this week. But for me personally, I'm looking for a movement towards the upside. So we're going to try to grab a sniper entry around this level, and then we'll take this bad boy to the upside. So as always, guys, appreciate y'all for tuning in to today's video. Make sure y'all are following us and subscribe. That way y'all don't miss out on any future content that I do push out for y'all. And our free Telegram chat room link is down below, where I post a lot of these chart setups, and y'all can interact with me personally. So if you have any questions, you can ask me a question literally directly in the Telegram chat room. It's completely free. So join up, guys. All right, peace out.